Good morning, student. I am Dr. Shanmukh Kuchpal. Last class we have discussed important continuity and differentiation 4-mark questions. Two examples we have solved. So in this session, see different varieties of our problems we'll study in this session. So let us begin with the first example. So this type of questions we have solved here. See, the question is find the value of a k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point. Means the function is continuous at x equal to 5. Therefore, the solution we write this as, so f of 5 equal to LHL is left hand limit equal to RHL right hand limit. So further we will find the left hand limit. Already I have discussed. So this is a number line, this is a indicated point. The left side less than is taken as a left hand limit and right side greater than we have to take it as a RHL. So the LHL is x less than equal to 5 it is, and RHL is, it is a right side, so x greater than 5 whatever function is there, so we have to take RHL. So now we'll find LHL equal to limit x is tending to, it is defined about a point 5, therefore we'll take x tending to 5, and f of x we have to mention it. F of x is less than value, therefore the corresponding function is, so it is k x plus 1. Now wherever x is there we have to replace it by 5, because here it is x is tending to 5, so we get this as k as it is, x is 5, so we get it this as a 5x and plus 1 as it is. This is our LHL. So the first step we call it as a equation 1, and this is second step we call it as a equation 2. Further we'll find RHL equal to, now we have to define a function, RHL function. So RHL is, it is a x greater than 5, so limit x is tending to 5, the function is 3x minus 5, now wherever x is there you have to replace it by 5, so it is a 3 into x is 5 minus 5. So further simplify this, 5 3 is a 15 minus 5, so we get RHL as 10. We call this as equation number 3. Now we have to using equation 2 and equation 3 in equation number 1. Equation 1 is LHL equal to RHL, so the LHL solution is 5k plus 1 and RHL is, it is a 10. Now plus 1 we have to transport it, 5k equal to 10 plus 1 transporting 10 minus 1 we get it, that is a 9. So the k value is 9 divided by 5. This is the answer. So like this we have to find the value of a k. Yes, we'll move to a next example. So here also we have to find the value of a k. Find the value of a k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point, means it is a continuous at x equal to 5. So here they are given x is not equal to pi by 2, so this is indicated point pi by 2. left side it is a less than, we have to take it LHL, and right side we have to take RHL, greater than value we have to take it. So now the first step is the indicated point. So this is f of the given value, f of the function is, here it is pi by 2, it is a defined. So f of pi by 2 equal to, it is LHL equal to RHL. So this is a point. Now they have given directly x is not equal to pi by 2, so directly we'll find it. So we write this as f of pi by 2, f of pi by 2 equal to, and here not equal to, the function will remain the same, therefore LHL as well as RHL, the function will remain a same, therefore we will take the same function. X is tending to, it is a pi by 2 f of x, f of x is not equal to, so it is a k times cos x divided by pi minus 2x, pi minus 2x. This we have to simplify it. So I use the concept of changing a limit because it is other than a 0. So we will take h equal to pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x. So x it will become as it is pi by 2 minus h. So wherever x is there, we have to replace it by pi by 2 minus h. So we get this as limit h is tending to 0. Now h is a variable, then k times, it is a cos pi by 2 minus h divided by pi minus 2, x is, it is a pi by 2 minus h. So further we have to simplify this. It is a limit h is tending to 0, k times we have to use allied angle formula. Already you have studied this in a from 10th standard onwards. Cos of a, see, 90 minus theta is sin theta, so we get sin h, and denominator simplification, pi minus 2 we have to multiply, 2 pi by 2, minus into minus plus 2h, 2 get cancels, then further pi get cancels. So we get this as limit h is tending to 0, it is a k sin h divided by 2h. So further we know this is a standard limit, sin h by h is 1, therefore f of LHS side, it is a f of pi divided by 2. This value, it is in a question, it is a mentioned, it is a 3, therefore 3 equal to, it is a k divided by 2. So because sin h by h, it is a limit 1, therefore 2 we have to transport it to LHS, k equal to 3 into 2, that is a 6 we are going to get it. So k we get it as a 6 here. So like this we have to simplify here. So when less than greater than are given, we are separately solving LHL and RHL. If it is equal to not equal to, directly we have to simplify, and f of that limiting value we have to simplify, and we should get an answer. So thank you very much for watching this video, dear students. Thank you very much.